Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis, guys. It's Sunday, so we just want to see what happened last week and this week. So if you want to be part of the team, you can see on the other side, those are the services that I offer. Actually, signals, VIP signals from monthly to a lifetime. You can see that. If you want to talk to me, you know what to do. You can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me, and the link is there actually on the description. You will find the link for my WhatsApp. Then just click that. It's going to take you straight to my WhatsApp channel. So without wasting enough time, don't forget that we have like a news trading group where it's actually $30 lifetime. So we actually started this group last week. So I think going further, we're going to have enough signals. We're going to have to show, I will have to show you some sort of results going further. But without wasting any time, I think maybe let's see. Let's start with our analysis. So this is daily time frame. We are on USD Canada. I think that maybe is quite straightforward. You can see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. When the market is pushing to the upside, just know that we're looking for buy positions. Yes, along the way the market will still push lower, but we're not going to entertain that. We're going to go with the trend. So like where we are now, we can see that yes, the market is actually doing what? The market was pushing to the upside. So now it seems like the market wants to push lower again there. So what can we do? Yes, we can take a hit and run, actually a sell of a hit and run, but we still understand that actually we're supposed to do what? We're supposed to buy when the market reaches this area. You can hit some sell, but very quick, don't hold longer. Then you know that when we reach this support area, we're just going to run with that buy again, unless if maybe the market wants to break that support area. I hope you see that. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are on Euro USD. This is daily time frame as we are on a weekly analysis. So what happened or what's currently happening is, yes, we are actually still on a very nice bullish momentum. The market is still pushing to the upside. You can see the market is still pushing to the upside. So which means the dollar is losing that strength slowly, and that is good because maybe the inflation is also pushing lower. So what do we see here? We see that we just have to identify the areas where we're supposed to do what? Continue buying as we are on that uptrend. If I go closer there, you can see that the market gave us some very nice structure. We have a support, a resistant, resistant and support. So it means if we can identify that, now we're going to focus on that. We already know that we are actually on what? We are actually on a bullish momentum. We know that the market is actually ready to do what? To push the upside. So where we are actually now, we can't just say let's buy there. No, it means we're gonna wait for the market to break that area. We're going to wait for the market to break this area as a resistance. On top there is where we can take another buy, unless if maybe the market will do what? Come back again there. Once it pushes up, we can have another trade buying. Why we don't look for a sell? Because we are on a very nice, simple, straightforward an uptrend. So we're supposed to do what? We're supposed to look for those buy positions. Remember, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, actually we go for analysis, like daily analysis like this or weekly analysis like this one. So on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we actually do the live sessions. We go on the live session. I hope maybe that combination will be much better. Now we're combining all these things. So what's really happening on USDJPY? I think this is also very straightforward. The market is actually doing what? The market is still respecting our downtrend. The market has been pushing to the lower side for quite some time. And you know what? We've been also getting some very nice trades because the market was actually giving us some obvious structures. Yes, we did sell, we had some very nice sell, but it seems like later on the market did push to the upside. I think maybe on this one it's much better for me to try maybe to see this on a 4-hour time frame. Let me just do an auto. You can see that. So what happened is, yes, the market touched this area, pushed lower and we smashed that one. Again, the market was going there again. Then the market was also selling. So I'm still expecting the market to keep pushing lower and reach around 128 there. You see, I'm expecting that. So yes, we are still on a very nice, very strong, nice downtrend. The market is still downtrending. The bearish momentum is still very strong. You can see the market is still pushing to the lower side. Yes, on top here you can have maybe some structures. We see that, but for more information, I think, or for more of that, go back on my channel. You will find like thousands of videos that you can check, or let's say hundreds of videos that you can check, or multiple of them, because I do this every day, actually weekly, every week, every weekday, Monday up to Friday. I do this, so you can learn something from that. So let's push to the next one, which is gold. What's really happening? Most of these things are actually on a bullish momentum. As the dollar is losing that momentum. So what's really happening? Gold is actually pushing to the upside. We have a very nice support area. The support area, it's showing us that, you know what, I'm respecting this trend, and the trend is doing what? The trend is pushing to the upside. That's why we see that actually the market is on a very nice bullish momentum. When I have drawn something again just to show you that actually the market is also respecting this thing. This another, we have like another counter trend line. If I draw that, you will see that, oh, the market is actually respecting that. But we're not going to focus on that much, as we have something on the bottom side. Do you see this one? This is what we're going to focus on. This one is very steep. There is a chance actually for the market to break that before maybe pushing up again. I hope you see that. So on this one, I'm also expecting the market to keep pushing up. As long as the market doesn't show any breakout, I'm just going to keep following the structure, because I don't have to just guess things. I will have to follow what I see. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To push here. We can buy. Maybe the market can consolidate a little bit before pushing up again. Once the market comes around this support area, it's where we're going to do what? To have those buy positions, because we are on a very nice uptrend. It's way much simpler to follow the trend, because 90% of the time the market will be pushing up. Whether we have some smaller rejection, but at the end of the day, the market is still pushing to the upside. Learn about that. My strategy is quite simple, straightforward. Way it is simple. Follow the trends. Simple as that. So now we are on US oil. US oil has been playing games also. The market has been like trying to push up a little bit, but you can see that the bearish momentum is still very strong. But what do we see actually? You can easily see that actually the market is still actually on this a very nice downtrend. The market is still pushing lower and lower. It's just that the market is struggling to keep pushing lower again. And we understand that once the market does that, I expect the market to push like seriously lower. You see. So you can see around this area actually, that area is actually our very strong resistance. I think I have to remove this and try to draw this up to this point. If I push it lower, you will see that, oh, that area is actually something. Do you see that? It's actually the same area as this one here. Do you see that? So it means for us, where we are currently is where we can see maybe the market trying to do what? The market trying to push lower again. You can see how many times the market did push lower around that area. This might be the third time maybe, and that might happen. So obviously during the week we're gonna go on a smaller time frame and see what's really happening. Yes, the market can actually give us some fake breakouts, or maybe the market will try to break out. If that happens, if the market breaks out, on top there we have another resistance. We will wait for that. If the market if the market is going to respect that, or if the market is going to break out of that, and then we're gonna look for what? For maybe some buy positions. But for now, the market is still on that downtrend. Now, what's really happening on US30? Yes, I think the market later on started to recover. So you can easily see that actually the market has been actually pushing to the lower side. The market has been actually going down. So what we see here is, I think around this area we have a nice resistance, but there the one that we have there, it's fine. We're gonna use that. Yeah, we're gonna use that. Or let me see something. It's like I see something, because we actually had something before. But the market started to change. yeah, I think we actually had something like that. But since the market started to push lower, I think this will also make sense as we have this sort of a resistance there. You can see that we have an area there. So what we see here is, yes, actually the market is still continuing with that bearish momentum. As you see that we have this area where the market, every time when the market touches this area, the market started to do what? To push the lower side. So, but what we see here is the market is, yes, did actually a great job, but the market broke out of this sort of a support. But obviously this is a counter, it's not like it's a very strong one. So obviously we expect the market to do its thing. Let's see, the market can break, come back and stuff like that. So the market broke out of this support area, so it means maybe the market is trying to retest here before maybe pushing lower, as we are still on that downtrend. Or maybe the market wants to just push to the upside. Remember, Netflix actually did a very nice job. I think they added almost 7 million new subscribers. So which means maybe that was during the day that did not sink in. Maybe later on people started to think about it. So yeah, maybe tomorrow, maybe the market will start to push the upside. We don't know. We will see. We will wait for the market to do its thing. Or maybe the market wants to respect this area and start to push the lower side. So the best thing that we can do is, we don't actually have any idea what will happen. So we just have to wait for the market to show us something before we follow that. We don't really have to guess, because still the market is going to show us everything. So yes, let's go straight. Please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. What's really happening? This is NASDAQ daily time frame. Very nice structure there. We see that the market is actually doing what? The market has been respecting this downtrend for quite some time, and even now the market is back around that area. You can see that the market has been respecting that resistance, which means the market was actually agreeing with our trend that I'm going down. 90% of the time the market was pushing to the lowest side. So if maybe I can say, let's push closer there, you will see that actually the market did give us some small sell. You can see we had a very nice sell. Guess what? Later on the market did push the upside. And you know what I hate is, yes, I also had some actually buy pending order, but the market actually, as you know, the market took us out before pushing up again. And I'm not going to get angry with that, but it's fine. That's how the market do its thing. So where we are now, I think we are actually on a very, very, very important zone or area where we find the resistant area. So the question is, will the market break this, or maybe the market will respect that? We don't know. We'll just have to wake up early and see where the market is going to open, pushing whether up or down. We just have to check that. The best thing that you can do is, don't try to fall for fake breakouts and stuff like that. It's better to wait for a full candlestick before you jump on the market. Even though if the market maybe wants to create another trend, because this one is a downtrend, if the market wants to change the trend and start to create a bullish move or an uptrend, it's not like you just have to jump at the start. We're still going to have enough moves or enough structures that we can go on the market and take those trades, you see. So it's better to wait for them, especially when it's Monday tomorrow. It's better to relax and see what's really happening. And from there, it's where we gonna take the trade. So what I see here is, yes, as the market actually closed before breaking out, yes, we are actually still on a downtrend. I'm still expecting the market to do what? To push lower, unless if the market breaks this area, I will say, okay, now it's time for the market to do what? For the market to push the upside. Beside that, we're just going to relax, you see. So please guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. The channel is growing very nice because of you guys. So thanks to everyone who already subscribed. Let me show you what we offer. If you want to be part of the team, there on the screen, just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. Just check the link. You will find a WhatsApp link that you can just talk to me and join the team. So yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. I will see you actually tomorrow. Bye.